Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to participate in new Instagram trends. First, open Instagram and explore the Reels or Explore tab to see what's currently popular. Pay close attention to recurring themes, sounds, and visual styles. Understanding the trend's essence is crucial for creating relevant and engaging content. Think about how you can adapt it to your unique style and audience. Now, let's use Gemini to supercharge your content creation. Open Gemini and describe the Instagram trend you want to join. Ask it for caption ideas, relevant hashtags, or even a short script for a reel. Gemini can provide a fantastic starting point, saving you time and sparking new ideas. Remember to personalize its output to truly make it your own. With your content ideas ready, it's time to create your post. Record your video or prepare your image, keeping the trend's visual style in mind. Use Instagram's editing tools to add the trending audio and any effects. Then, paste the caption and hashtags you developed with Gemini. A compelling visual and a strong caption are key to capturing attention. After posting, don't just set it and forget it. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and direct messages. This builds community and shows you value their interaction. Monitor your post's performance metrics, like reach and engagement rate, to learn what resonates. This feedback helps you refine your strategy for future trends and grow your presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.